What up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Got my new YouTube channel going. Not too bad. Coming along. Only been about a month now. Making a lot of videos. Doing a lot of work for you guys. Got my new website, rwcweb.com. Okay. Teach you guys how to do your affiliate sites. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Put your best email in the box below. How do we get traffic to here? The million-dollar question. You know, Facebook, for the last probably, I'd say 6 years, has been the top of the food chain with all this, okay? Mainly because of their database resources that they have, okay? Now, that said, you know, because everybody on Facebook, they put in all their information on there, so we know Facebook knows everything about them, where they click, what they do, and so forth. So, and that's a great thing. But Facebook, until, you know, for the past 3 years, has changed dramatically. And last year, I actually got blocked out of it, which a lot of people experience, okay? And it sucked. They blocked me out for a year because I accidentally selected a political thing, okay? And then, you know, the graphics, like in the beginning, you couldn't have more than 20% text on your graphics and so forth. But it's all changed now, so it's a little easier. But since I was able to get back in, I really haven't used it anymore, okay? I've kind of gone back to the old way I used to do things. Now, if you're just starting out, this $10 solo ads, I've been using this since I started out, okay? Doing for the longest time, okay? And basically, if you don't know what solo ads are, it's very simple. It's people who, they're like influencers kind of. They have massive email lists, you know, and just for the record, you get 500 plus emailers on your list, you can make money. Okay, I don't care what anybody says. You just got to put them in front of a good product. Even at that range, you would still make at least a couple $100 a month. You get over 1,000. Okay, like my sweet spot was like 1,200 to 2,000 on some of the niches I've done over the years, and that's email signups. Okay, so you know, once you get past that 1,000 subscriber mark, so to speak, signups, you're good. You got to have a good lead capture. If you watch some of my other videos, okay. So now this here is $10 per month per ad, okay. So it's going to give you 2,000 prospects. Now don't confuse this with SEO and people getting to your site, okay. Excuse me. Once again, this is going to be sent to whoever you pick to do this for you on this platform. They're going to send them to 2,000 of their laser targeted email list. Okay. And it's a great thing. It really is. It's worked very well for me in the past. You know, it's worked very well for me in the past. Okay. So now, you know, you could do it monthly campaign, weekly, deluxe, and 2 deluxe. Okay. And it kind of looks like this here. Okay. Basically, it's very simple, you know, very easy to do it. What you do is, if you know, you pick one of these, okay, let's go to the next page. All right, and you know, then you got to do all your credit card information and stuff like that, and it's no problem, okay. Now, the cool thing about it is you know, you can get, they'll copyright your ad for you if you want them to. Okay, or you can use your own ads. Okay, you can use your own ads if you want. And when you do affiliate marketing, in, you know, a lot of the affiliate marketing, Okay. Especially on ClickBank, which, everybody loves, and they're so readily available and so easy to use. Okay. This could be, they give you these pre-formatted email swipes, and that's basically what you're going to use on these solo ad things. I like the solo ad platform because you got a lot of control over it, and it's very easy to use. You can certainly get some leads off it without a doubt. Okay. So now here's another platform that I like, the RXT platform. This is kind of like an alternative to AdSense and Google Ads. Okay. You can advertise or monetize. Okay. If you got a blog or a website, you can put these ads on your site just like AdSense. Okay. Real easy, real great. Okay. If you want to advertise, okay, I already logged in over here. I think this is so much easier, okay, than Google. Okay. You've got a pixel that you can use. You got push notifications and so forth and all that. Okay. Basically, let me get back to where I need to be. Sorry about that. Okay. You name your campaign. Okay. Mainstream or adult. Okay. Then you pick your category. Like if you got a lead capture page, put a download. It's going to warn you to make sure you pick the lead capture page download, and you're doing it right. Okay. Subcategory. If you want to select it, you can select it. Okay. You can do retargeting. I would suggest you do that after you figure out if it's working for you. So now with what I just picked, again, it's like Google and Facebook. Okay. This part is like a great alternative. Okay. Now, potential daily reach. Now, you got to know your niche. Okay. You got to know your niche. I pick, like, I know mine is in the United States. It's in England. It's in English, excuse me. And then they show you the top tiers. English speaking, Australia. You can just pinpoint where you want to do it. United Kingdom, and then you could pick other ones too. Like I recently had, a thing with, I have a writing niche, publishing niche. Okay. helpwithselfpublishing.com. And I didn't know until recently doing things through my research, cause you got to know what your customer is, who your customer is and what they want. Okay, so this is a great alternative to, Google. Okay. All right. So we're going to choose the devices. You can target them all. Okay. And here we are again. So there's your daily reach. Okay. Same thing. You define a budget. Okay. You could schedule it. All right. There's all kinds of things you can do. You type in your budget over here. Okay, and again, it's just like, Facebook and Google. It's the same thing. Okay, so these are great if you're starting up because you control the pricing. You have a lot of control over it. I would suggest that you keep some kind of tracking on your site. Now, if your affiliate links are getting hit, then that's going to be the tracking for you, so to speak. Okay, you could do it that way. But you'll have a certain amount of, on both of these, you should have a certain amount of where your ads are going and, what's going on with them, where you're getting hits from. Okay. These are two really great places to start. I definitely like this RTX platform. But if I was a beginner, and I was a beginner, newbie, as they say, I chose the solo ads. It was just so much easier to do. It was so reasonable, and it happened to work very well for me. Okay, so this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Okay, I got my new YouTube channel going. Really hoping you guys would like and subscribe. Okay. And if you want to visit my new website, it's rwcweb.com, and you want to shoot me an email, and I'll have lots of great stuff for you. Okay, take care.